Welcome to our channel, Travel Wisely. Today we're going to talk about the Northern Lights in Alaska. The Northern Lights, a celestial ballet. A symphony of color splashed across the night sky. It's a phenomenon that has captivated humanity for centuries. Imagine standing beneath a star-studded sky. Suddenly, vibrant hues of green, purple and red dance before your eyes. The air crackles with energy. This is the magic of the Aurora Borealis. This captivating display is more than just a light show. It's a reminder of the raw power and beauty of our planet. It's a testament to the forces that shape our universe. The Northern Lights offer a glimpse into the mysteries of the cosmos. They ignite a sense of wonder and adventure, sparking a desire to witness this natural wonder. This guide will take you on a journey to experience this awe-inspiring phenomenon. We'll explore the best times and places to witness the Northern Lights in Alaska. Get ready to be mesmerized by the aurora's ethereal glow. Let the adventure begin. Alaska, the last frontier, a realm where untamed beauty holds sway and the magnificence of nature is fully revealed. Explore a rugged and breathtaking landscape where every turn unveils a new wonder of nature. From dense forests to expansive tundras, Alaska's landscapes are as diverse as they are stunning. Towering mountains pierce the sky, snow-capped peaks standing as sentinels over the land. These grand creatures have stood the test of time, witnessing the ever-changing seasons and the passage of countless generations. Pristine glaciers reflect the sunlight, casting a dazzling array of colors that dance across the ice. These ancient ice rivers carve their way through the landscape, a testament to the power and beauty of nature. And when darkness falls, the sky transforms into a canvas for the Northern Lights. The Aurora Borealis, a natural light exhibit that has fascinated humans for millennia, paints the night with its ethereal glow. With its remote location, far from the bright lights of civilization, Alaska offers a unique and unparalleled view of this celestial phenomenon. Its northern location, minimal light pollution and clear night skies create ideal viewing conditions, making it a privilege to witness the Northern Lights in Alaska. The stars shine brighter here and the Northern Lights dance more vividly than anywhere else. From September to April, the night sky comes alive with vibrant hues. Greens, purples and reds swirl and twirl, creating a mesmerizing display that captivates all who are fortunate enough to witness it. They dance and shimmer, captivating all who watch. The lights seem almost alive, moving with a grace and fluidity that is both otherworldly and deeply grounding. Imagine standing amidst this breathtaking landscape. The vast wilderness stretches before you. The Northern Lights weave their magic above. The air is crisp and cold, each breath a reminder of the purity and freshness of this remote land. The cold bites at your cheeks, but it's a welcome sensation, grounding you in the moment. The only sound is the gentle crunch of snow beneath your feet. It's a sound that speaks of solitude and peace, a reminder that you are far from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Above you, the Northern Lights paint the sky in an awe-inspiring display of color and movement. Each moment is unique, a fleeting masterpiece that will never be repeated in precisely the same way. This is Alaska, where you can truly connect with nature's grandeur, a humbling and appreciative experience. Here, the natural world is not just a backdrop, but a living, breathing entity that invites you to be a part of its story. Whether you're an avid adventurer or a casual traveler, Alaska offers an unforgettable Northern Lights experience. It's an incredible place where memories are crafted, where the breathtaking beauty of the natural world etches itself into your very soul. So, pack your bags, embrace the cold, and prepare for an adventure of a lifetime. Alaska awaits with its wild beauty and awe-inspiring natural wonders. Get ready to experience nature's breathtaking spectacle and be dazzled as the Northern Lights cast their enchanting glow upon your adventure. Timing is everything when it comes to witnessing the Northern Lights. This natural occurrence, also recognized as the Aurora Borealis, is a breathtaking display of lights dancing across the night sky, painting it with vibrant green, pink, and sometimes even red or purple hues. The best time to see this celestial display in Alaska is during the winter months. The long nights provide the perfect backdrop for the lights to shine their brightest. The nights are long and dark from late September to early April. This period is known as the Aurora season, and it offers the highest chance of witnessing the Northern Lights in all their glory. This provides ample opportunity to glimpse the aurora's ethereal glow. Get ready for an electrifying display as the lights can burst forth unexpectedly, turning the sky into a breathtaking masterpiece of vibrant colors. The peak viewing time is typically between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. During these hours, the sky is at its darkest and the auroras are most likely to be visible. However, the northern lights can appear at any time during the night. It's not uncommon for the lights to appear surprised just after sunset or right before dawn. Patience is vital when chasing the aurora. The lights are unpredictable, and it can take hours of waiting in the cold before they appear. Be prepared to bundle up and wait. Dress in layers, bring a hot drink thermos, and ensure you have a comfortable spot to sit or stand. The reward is well worth it. When the lights finally appear, they create a spectacle that leaves onlookers in awe, their faces illuminated by the shimmering colors above. While winter offers the best chances of seeing the northern lights, it's important to note that their appearance is not guaranteed. Various factors influence the auroras. Sometimes, despite the best conditions, they may not appear. Solar activity, weather conditions, and light pollution all play a role. The lights are triggered by specks from the sun interacting with the Earth's magnetic field, and their visibility can be affected by cloud cover and artificial lights. Checking the aurora forecast before heading out is always a good idea. Several apps and websites provide real-time updates on solar activity and aurora predictions. Chasing the northern lights is an exhilarating adventure. It's not just about the destination, but also the journey. The thrill of the chase, the anticipation, and the moments of quiet reflection under the vast Alaskan sky all add to the experience. Embrace the unpredictability and enjoy the journey. Whether you see the lights or not, the adventure of chasing them is an unforgettable experience that profoundly connects you with the natural world. Alaska boasts a multitude of prime viewing spots for the northern lights. This natural event, popularly known as the Aurora Borealis, is a breathtaking display of lights that prance across the night sky, creating a spellbinding spectacle that draws visitors worldwide. The best part? Alaska offers a variety of locations where you can experience this wonder in all its glory. From charming towns to remote wilderness areas, there's a perfect location for every type of traveler. Whether you prefer the comfort of a cozy village with amenities or the rugged beauty of the untouched wilderness, Alaska has it all. Every location provides a distinctive viewpoint and adventure, ensuring your Northern Lights experience is unforgettable. Fairbanks, known as the Golden Heart of Alaska, Fairbanks is a popular destination for Northern Lights viewing. This city is rich in history and culture and ideally situated within the auroral oval, making it one of the best places to see the northern lights. The city's clear skies and long winter nights provide ample opportunities to glimpse the aurora. Its location within the auroral oval and its abundance of tour operators make it an excellent choice for first-time aurora chasers. Many tour companies offer guided excursions that include transportation, warm gear, and expert knowledge, ensuring you have the best chance of witnessing the lights. Additionally, Fairbanks offers a variety of accommodations, from hotels to cozy cabins, catering to all types of travelers. Experience the delightful display of the Northern Lights set against the majestic backdrop of North America's tallest peak, Denali. The park's vast wilderness and minimal light pollution create an unforgettable setting. Imagine standing in the shadow of Denali, with the Aurora Borealis illuminating the sky above, a sight that will stay with you forever. The park's vast wilderness and minimal light pollution create an unforgettable setting. Denali National Park is a haven for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. In addition to Northern Lights viewing, the park offers a range of activities such as hiking, wildlife viewing, and camping. Combining these experiences makes Denali a must-visit destination for anyone interested in Alaska's natural beauty. Coldfoot. Situated deep within the Arctic Circle, Coldfoot offers unparalleled opportunities for Northern Lights viewing. This remote location is perfect for those who want to escape the hustle and bustle of city life and experience the aurora in a pristine environment. The small community of Coldfoot provides a unique and intimate setting for your Northern Lights adventure. Its remote location ensures minimal light pollution, allowing the aurora's colors to shine brightly. Coldfoot is also home to the Arctic Interagency Visitor Center, where you can learn more about the region's natural and cultural history. Whether staying in a rustic cabin or following a guided tour, Coldfoot promises an authentic and unforgettable Northern Lights experience. Utqiagvik, formerly Barrow, located at the northernmost point of the United States, Utqiagvik offers a genuinely unique perspective on the Northern Lights. This remote town is known for its indigenous culture and stunning Arctic landscapes. The long polar nights provide extended periods of darkness, increasing the possibility of seeing the aurora. Here, you can witness the aurora dancing directly overhead. The experience of seeing the Northern Lights in Utqiagvik is unlike any other, as the lights seem to envelop you from all directions. The town's rich cultural heritage and people's warmth add to the experience's magic, making it a destination worth exploring. These are just a few of the many incredible locations in Alaska where you can witness the Northern Lights. Every location provides its own unique charm and viewing experience. Whether you choose the bustling city of Fairbanks, the majestic wilderness of Denali, the remote tranquility of Coldfoot, or the unique perspective of Utqiagvik, you will be enchanted by the attractiveness of the Aurora Borealis. Every location has its distinctive allure and offers a distinct perspective. The diversity of Alaska's landscapes means no two Northern Lights experiences are the same. From the snow-covered mountains to the tundra, each location provides a different backdrop for the aurora, making every viewing opportunity memorable. Research and choose the area that best suits your travel style and preferences. Alaska has a Northern Lights viewing spot, whether you are an adventure seeker, a nature lover, or someone looking for a cozy and comfortable experience. Plan your trip, pack your warmest clothes, and prepare for an unforgettable adventure under the magical lights of the Aurora Borealis. Suppose you found this information helpful or enjoyed our content. Comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and inspiration. Travel Wisely expresses our deepest gratitude for your incredible support as we conclude the Northern Lights in Alaska today. Thank you for watching. We look forward to you joining us in our next video. Keep exploring and safe travels.